Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Francis J. Canlas from the Philippines. I am a graduate of Tarlac State University, Bachelor's of Elementary Education. Then I have took up my masteral degree at the Lyceum Northwestern Academy at Pangasinan, Dagupan. I have been teaching here in the Philippines for almost 12 years in different grade levels, but most of the time I am a grade 3, grade 4, and grade 5 math and science teacher. So as long as my career goes, I am also the sports focal person of our school and our schools. Aside from being the sports focal person of our school, I am also the school's risk disaster management officer. So I am in charge when something bad happens. So why do you want to teach at America? My first reason is about my professional development. So I know that I could learn from the American educational system as well as that I could apply it here in the Philippines after 1 or 2 year J1 visa program. Then I could go back here in the Philippines, then apply what I have learned from America. So that's my first reason. Another reason is that I like to travel. So for me, this J1 visa program is a great opportunity because I could travel at the same time teach abroad, then learn more things. Third reason is about my culture. So I want to introduce the Filipino culture to the Americans, as well as to learn the American culture. And that's all. I hope you could give us a chance. Thank you.